Yun na nga kanina, anong emotion na nararamdaman mo nung binasa ni Mother yung kanyang sulat?
Iyak ako eh.
Anong pinag mo na?
Maging ano ngayon.
Masyado kang emotional.
Hindi kasi bata pa lang ako, nanonood na ako ng mga Regal movies eh. So nung tumawag sa akin si Miss Rosel, 9 a.m. papunta ako na Asa, Bawang driving, kahapon. Tapos po si Mother, she was just saying na, you know, just be happy, masaya maganda yung pelikula natin, this and that. Tapos sabi ko, pagbaba na ko, sabi ko, grabe si Mother tumawag sa akin, no? Hindi naman. Alam mo yun, parang na-remind lang ako na parang, you know, these are the things that you've got to be thankful for. And, you know, nakakataba ng puso na, you know, they exert extra effort to make you feel good, to make you feel special. Yung mga ganun lang, so sobra akong masaya because of the way Mother is, you know, sa trabaho, sa tao na nakakasama niya. It's all about giving back, you know, she's been in the business for many decades and she still has that passion. I mean, you know, tinagal-tagal natin sa industriya, napakaliit ng mundo, you know, napakaliit ng